It's going to be one of the biggest leaps forward in the use of technology that we've seen in policing in a long time.
There are 12,000 students here at Vanderbilt. We have approximately 300 acres of campus. We support the city of Nashville as needed, whether it be for move-in day or commencement, the last day and last week on campus. Using drone as first responder allows us to make sure we're keeping them safe their entire time here.
The average response time for our drones is about 80 seconds. Even the fastest officer could take several minutes longer than that to respond. The drone operator is sitting in our Strategic Operations Center, what we call the SOC, can launch the drone and have it en route to the scene before the dispatcher is even off the phone with the caller and has sent officers to the scene.
Everyone benefits from drone as first responder because the latest use of technology is the greatest use, right? It's an additional tool. Drone as first responder will allow us to get that situational awareness from a factual standpoint much quicker and be reliable and educate our officers as they respond to assist the community.